everyone, I'm Alina and I'm going to a really fun Halloween party and I'm gonna be a medieval princess. And I have the most gorgeous pink dress ever, but the thing is I don't have a medieval princess hat. That's why I have to make one myself. It's gonna be pink as well. Here I have the velvet fabric. Here's my pattern and also some other materials. I will show them later. The first thing that's needed to make a hat is the pattern, and it's like really simple. So this side is the size of my head, so I just measured it like that, like how my hat is going to be standing on my head, and it's 52 for me. But I also added, I wrote like 4 centimeters, like 3-4 centimeters for the sewing. It will actually require just one single stitch. Here's the height of my hat, and so I just took like here's the angle. I just took the liner. Height of my hat is like 60 or something, like, and I just was drawing 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, like that, moving the liner all the way up here, and then I measured, and then it was slightly bigger than 54, so I just cut, simply measured how much I need to cut, and then I just measured it from the both sides, then made the line to the the highest point of the hat, like that. Like it was big for me for like 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters, and then I just measured 2 centimeters right here, then made the line right to the top and just cut it. So it's like really simple, and it's gonna be a beautiful hat. Now let's start making the hat. I just have this pattern and I'm gonna copy it to this, like leftovers of this really like thick material, just really thick fabric. And then I'm gonna also cut the same piece from the pink fabric, and I also have this material. It's a glue as a fabric to glue this thick material to the pink material, and yeah, and then it's pretty much it. Now all the pieces are ready. So we have the really thick base, then the blue fabric, and then my pink velvet for the hat. Now we'll quickly add it so they will stick it together, and then we'll get to sew. So I added all the pieces together. That's how it's looking, really nice. Now I have to make a stitch right here, stitch right here, and I will leave a little hole right here, so we would make this like a beautiful fabric that's flowing out of the hat. Here's the hat. I decided to add this golden ribbon on the edge of the hat so it would look cute and clean. And now I have some ideas for decorating, so I'm thinking about making something like a crown right here. That's the part that's left of this kind of ribbon. So I'm gonna improvise and add something else, but I think I'm gonna add this trim like all around the hat, and then in the center I'm gonna add this one, and it's gonna be looking like a tiara, and then I'm gonna make lines like that. So I have some jewels and also some little parts of embroidery that I maybe will cut and put all around the hat. I've cut out these little embroidery pieces. These are like flowers and leaves, and I want to add some of them on my hat.
On the mountains crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound, in the arms of solitude.
I added this ribbon so it would hold like tightly on my head. I also found this fabric. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna just place it right here. I'm gonna pull it through the hole, then make a knot so it wouldn't like fall off. Now I just have to burn the edges.
Stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Oh, that's how it's looking. Really cute. Wanna add some jewels on this veil as well. That was all for my video. I really hope that you liked it, and maybe it inspires you to make your own medieval princess hat. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.